beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
And what SculpSure does is SculpSure uses both cold and heat. So it's the heat that is melting the fat, but it's the cold that's keeping you comfortable during the procedure.
I see.
So there's
okay.
waves of cold and heat that you feel throughout.
Which one's more uncomfortable, the cool sculpting or the SculpSure?
I would say at the time of the procedure.
Because you've had them both.
Yeah, I would say SculpSure at the time of the procedure, but we go a step further than most other practices. We use a system called Pronox, which is nitrous oxide, like you may know from the dentist's office,
Right. Mm-hmm.
where you can breathe it in. So if you're saying it's a little too much for you,
I love it.
you can
So
breathe it
it's
in.
like that laughing gas.
That's
kind
it.
Of and that's really helpful.
And it gets people through the procedure, and they don't need a driver because nitrous oxide leaves
Right,
the body quickly.
immediately.
Then they can drive themselves home afterwards.
Want to see and learn more? Well, you can watch the full episodes with Dr. Mark Berkowitz and Jackie Kallen by searching Accent Your Beauty on YouTube or by going to newradiomedia.com, where you can catch our newest episodes every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our social media pages to keep up to date with our tips and ideas on how to be the more beautiful you. Links in the post above.